shave. I didn't cut my hair, but you know what? I'm just too excited. I'm too excited because I finally got my Far From Home Spider Man suit from Zentai Zone. So this video is an unboxing of this suit. Now, I've already reviewed the Far From Home suit from Heroes Time. That pattern was by Gunhead Design. This pattern is by Arachnid Studios. The suit is printed and assembled by Zentai Zone. If you want to order a suit from Zentai Zone, be sure to use my discount code. It's Ninja Dash. Now, without any more delay, let's have a look at this puppy. So, once again, this isn't my review. If you want to see my review, be sure to subscribe and check back later. And definitely check out my review of the Heroes Time suit. But right now, this is just an unboxing, so I'm just going to show you what you get out of the box. Let's see what's in this puppy. Cool, so I got the Zentai Zone bag, and looks like that's the Spidey suit. I don't know what to make of it so far. I don't know what I'm thinking about the pattern, but let's have a look. Wow, this is really cool. It's actually a lot different than the pattern by Gunhead Design from the Heroes Time one. And this pattern is by Arachnid Studios. Whoa, I really like the red area. Alright, so we got a Zentai Zone bag. Usually that comes with a card from the person who tailored the suits, saying that, you know, you can get them again if you want it. I got this black suit here and this purple suit for Multi-Moon Cosplay. You know what? They don't have the card. Maybe they're not doing that service anymore. Okay, whatever. So let's have a look at the Far From Home suit in a Zentai Zone bag, in this secondary bag. Yeah, it's beautiful. I mean, it's really black and red. And I think there's some discussion, there's some contention about whether the suit is black and red or whether it's super dark blue and red. Because I know when the light hits it right, you can get that kind of dark blue effect. Just like in the comic books, when they have a character with a black costume, they'll use blue for the highlight colors. And I'm sure some of you guys know the history of Spider Man, that his costume was originally this color. And the blue highlights became more and more prominent and more popular. Alright, I know I said this isn't a review, but you know, let's just have a look at it. The emblem on the back looks beautiful, but it's very different from the one by Gunhead Design. So I'm going to compare that and see which one is more accurate to the one in the film. And the chest emblem is it's pretty stark. It's almost simple in that there's not a lot of gradient or, like, you know, fake light appearance on it, but it looks very good and very crisp. And the first thing that jumps out about this suit to me is I love the red areas. I love the red area. There's like a little tiny dotted texture on this. So this suit I got from Zentai Zone on their upgraded Lycra fabric, and I did not get any footwear. I'm going to install my own footwear, and I'm going to do a video on my process of installing footwear, which I learned from another cosplayer who I'll be mentioning in that video, okay? And also, I didn't ask for any lenses attached because this suit I'm going to be wearing with a face shell. The suit I got from Heroes Time, I have lenses attached on it. So I'll also be doing a brief comparison video on what works better, a face shell for the Far From Home suit or no face shell with attached lenses. And ultimately you can be the judge because there's definitely pros and cons to both. So yeah, suit, fresh out of the box, looks beautiful, U-zipper, blah blah blah. Awesome Far From Home suit. No lenses. I'm gonna get that review right on the go, super soon. I'm just super pumped for this suit. And let me know in the comments far below, what do you think of the Far From Home suit? Do you like the new innovations? Do you like how many suit changes there have been in the MCU so far? Spider-Man's had like 5 or 6 suits, and he's only been in 2 of his own featured movies. Having said that, he's been in 4 movies, and I mean, even though I think they changed up the suits a bit fast for my liking, I also love seeing new suits. And as a cosplayer, I'm always really stoked to be able to try the new Spidey suit out. Let me know what you think of this suit design, and check back with me for the review. Be sure to subscribe and check out my other nerdy videos. Cheers.